This is what we are building. Your own automation server running on your hardware, unlimited workflows, zero per task fees. And I'm going to show you how to set this up in under 5 minutes. Zapier has a free limited plan, and also even if you get the paid plan, you will still have limits on it. But if you need 1,000 tasks, then you will easily exceed the limit on Zapier. So for example, if you need 5,000 tasks, then you would have to pay heavy amount on Zapier. And here is the thing, you are paying Zapier to run your automations on their servers with your data. What if you could run unlimited automations on your own server for $4 per month? One click, no terminal, no Docker. I will prove it works with a live demo. So let's go. For this tutorial, I am using a Hostinger VPS. That's an affiliate link in the description. If you sign up through it, I get a small commission and I appreciate it if you do it. I am on their KVM1 plan, 1 vCPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 50 gigs of storage. That's about $5 per month and it runs n8n with room to spare. If you already have a VPS somewhere else, by the way, DigitalOcean, Linode, whatever, I have another video showing how to deploy n8n manually with Docker. Link is in the description. Alright, let's get into it. I'm in my Hostinger hPanel. So click on VPS on the from left sidebar and then select your VPS from this list. Click on the manage, click on OS and panel and then click on the operating systems. You will see 3 tabs here: plain OS, OS with panel and application. So click on the application. So this is where Hostinger keeps over 70 one-click apps. So scroll down, click on the show more and let's find the n8n. So here is the n8n you can see. Just click on that and here is the confirmation screen. This is important because I want you to see this clearly. It says this will wipe your existing VPS. So everything gets reinstalled fresh. If you have anything on this server, back it up first. So just click on that button, click on I recognize that all my files will be deleted and click next to confirm. And here it will ask you to generate a password. You can either type a password or you can click on this to generate your password. Just copy your password so that you could use it later. Okay, now click on confirm. Hostinger is installing Ubuntu, setting up n8n as a service so it auto starts on reboot and configuring everything that you need to run n8n. Alright, n8n is installed. So to run the n8n, you just have to click on this button, manage app, and it will take you to this URL. And as this is our first time, so it will ask for details to sign up for your account. So let's add the email here and your name and your password and hit the next button. And there it is, n8n running on your own server. So welcome to your automation server. Now let me prove this actually works. We are going to build something simple. When someone hits a webhook URL, we will send a message to the Slack. So for that, let's click on this button to add a workflow. So we have to drag the webhook, search for the webhook and add it here. So this would give you a URL that you can click and copy. Anyone who calls this URL triggers your workflow. So just copy it. We will test it in a minute. Now the action. So close it. Now for the action, we need to search for the Slack. We have to select the send message action. Click on that. Here we need to connect your Slack workspace. So for that, click on the new credential from this drop down. We will select the auth 2 option here. And now hit the connect my account. So a window will appear where you will have to authorize it. So select the workspace that you want to authorize and click on allow. This would be one-time setup. Once it is done, you will see connection is successful and account connected message is there. Just close it. Now I have to select the send message to here. I will select channel and here I will click on all iOS Tech demo and you can pick anything. I will pick simple text message and here I will add hello world. And now let's close it. Let's save it and let me get my callback webhook URL and open a new tab paste it. So this is my Slack, and here I'm expecting to receive a notification in all IaaS Tech demo channel. So let's press enter. I did not publish it yet, so make sure to publish it first. Okay, it is published. Now we can reload this URL. I will copy the production URL and paste it here and press enter. This time it says that workflow has started, and now let's open the Slack, and in the Slack you see that hello world has been appeared, so that's when it is working. Once more I will go back to the workflow. I will add another action, manual trigger, add it here, and let's connect it as well. So in this way you can manually trigger as well from here. So let's click on that, click on execute workflow, and it again sent a hello world message in my Slack channel. So you see automation triggered from n8n, real time, your server, your data, zero task phase. So that was basic demo. A few things if you are planning to use this seriously. Number one is n8n is set up as a service. So if your server reboots, it starts automatically. Your workflow will survive. Number two, right now we are accessing it via this temporary URL generated by the Hostinger, or if you're accessing it from the IP address, that is not sufficient. We should use a real production setup. For that, you would want a custom domain and SSL. That's a topic for another video. Number three is this KVM1 plan handles most use cases fine. But if you are running dozens of complex workflows with heavy data processing, you might want to bump up to KVM2. n8n self-hosted, one click, $5 a month, no more paying per task. If you want to see what else you can self-host on Hostinger, hit the subscribe button. I'm building a whole series on these one-click applications like Uptime, Kuma for monitoring, WireGuard for your own VPN, Pocketbase as a Firebase alternative, all coming up. Hostinger link is in the description. Thanks for watching.